guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make a paper snowflake. So for this project you will need a scissor and also a blank piece of paper. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is take the one edge of your paper and fold it onto the straight side of the paper, because you want to make a square. Make sure it is straight. And then I'll take the edge of my scissor to just flatten it out. Now I'll take my scissor and cut the side that is left. Like this. And now what you want to do is, now that you have a triangle looking shape, what you want to do is you open it up. So you see this line, you just keep it like this, and taking this edge, you connect it to the other edge, just like this. And then you can use your scissor to flatten out the edges. You will do the same thing one more time. Like this. And now what you want to do is you're gonna take one side of your paper, and you see this line in the middle, you have to like make another triangle on the line, like this. And you'll do the same thing on the other half. Then taking your scissor, flatten out the edges. And now cut the two tails at the bottom, because if you don't, your paper will just look closed. And it'll still look like a square. That's why you have to cut the edges. Now what I will do is I will make another triangle and cut it out. And after this, you can do any type of shape that you like to do. It doesn't matter that you have to do the same thing that I'm doing, because it's your own snowflake. So you can do any type of shapes you like. Now you can also use a pencil if you like to draw out the shapes on the sides and then cut them out for reference. But I'll not be doing that. I'll just start cutting. And now you can open up your snowflake. And this is how your snowflake should turn out. I mean, it doesn't have to be the same shapes because I just did triangles. And I did a circle in the middle. So this is how it looks. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more awesome videos. Goodbye.